So this video is about making a two-player game that looks a bit like this, where you've got one player control the arrow keys, another player control WASD. I really like these two-player one keyboard games. I think it's really easy to make something fun. It'd be great for an assessment. And what we are looking at is adapting what we've already got. I'm not going to show you exactly how to do it, but I'm going to give you some guidance on what I did to make it work, and then that's really good evidence for your assessment as well, that you can actually do that yourself. So the first thing we will know is that we have here a player sprite. We're going to need another one, pretty much the same, player sprite 2. So you'll need 2 player sprites. That's straightforward. You can add them to the same player list, that's no problem. We've still got the same wall list. The way Python Arcade works with the Physics Engine platform, and the simple one, is that you only get one player sprite per Physics Engine platformer. So you have to have 2 physics engines. So you have to have a self.physicsengine2 with your player sprite 2. Uses the same wall list, but yeah, you need to have that, and you need to obviously update that self.physicsengine.update. You'll need another one of those. Probably the trickiest bit though is the keys, moving your player. Let's just have a look at how we move one player around. So I've got a left, right and a jump, and that's just on the arrow keys at the moment. And this uses variables, and it does yeah, so we've got a left down and right down variable, which is whether the left key is down, right key is down. So again, this is just for the arrow keys at the moment. And we've also got a function called setXspeed, which modifies the player sprite's change x depending on whether left down has been pressed, whether right down has been pressed. So you need to do it all again, but with a WASD thing and a player sprite 2 and some other variables as well. I'm going to leave it there. I think that's enough guidance for you to try and work that out for yourself. And if I give you more guidance than that, then I'm pretty much doing it for you, and then you're not showing evidence of what you can do. So yeah, on key press. Oh, don't forget there's an on key release as well. That's pretty important. So on key release, setXspeed, on key press are the 3 things that control your player. Yeah, I think that'll be fun. Enjoy.